Welcome back, guys. What's up? I'm here with the Sdamey wig or Sdamey wig. Forgive me for my pronunciation. But that's the company we're working with today. I'm first time trying hair from them. It says Princess Beauty Secret, and this is actually their Instagram here, so you can look them up here. It's a nice design of the box and everything. So I opened the box and I'm seeing this band. Ooh, this is nice. And then I have a pair of lashes, elastic band, weaving cap, and the wig. So that's everything that came in today's box. At the back it has all the hair care, so instead of putting the card in, they put the hair care at the back of the box. So for today's wig, we are working with some curly hair. This is 180% density and it's 22 inches long. All the specifications will be listed below as usual, as it relates to, you know, hair type and, you know, everything. Okay, so today's wig is actually a closure wig. So this is how it looks. Nice curls. It's really nice, feels really full. It does have a little bit of weight to it because it's 180% for the density. This is the cap construction. So yeah, it has a total 4 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back. This is a center part lace closure wig. And yeah, let's jump into installing this. This is how it looks. Now today I want to get like the perfect wet look with this. This would definitely be perfect for all the people who don't necessarily want like to do too much work when they're installing their wig. So this is kind of like another beginner friendly wig. Definitely. This is how the front looks. I'm not gonna go in and like pluck it any further. It's a little bit plucked, so that's nice. I did a video some time ago like showing you guys how to make your frontal look, your closure look like a frontal. What I'm gonna do is actually just got to be down the front here, get it nice and secure.
Yo, Dre.
I don't want to do any baby hairs today for this. That will be the first for a closure wig for me. I just want to pull it back, so I'm using my wax stick and I'm just going to get my hot comb and kind of like, you know, make sure it's laid. And it was so easy like to apply it with the got to be. Like it didn't take a long time at all because it's such a small portion that you're focusing on. I'm going to use my rat tail comb to kind of make the parting more visible and precise with my concealer. got it wet just with water, just has water in it right now. So okay, if you don't mind on it being wet for now and then just poofing, like not poofing but getting back a little voluminous, then I wouldn't recommend putting anything in there. But if you want to maintain a wet look, I say yes, wet it with water, and then what I usually do is get my conditioner. Now this is actually mixed with water because my conditioner was down to here. This is actually finishing, so usually I'd put it in a bottle, like a spray bottle, and add water to it, but I can't find a bottle, so I added the water to this bottle, and I'll apply that throughout the hair. You can definitely see that it's thinner, it's a thinner substance, and what this does, it helps you to just kind of, you know, comb through the hair better. It makes everything feel so smooth and nice. Another product you could use as well, like in combination, is mousse. You guys know for years that has always been, like, people ask me how I manage to keep the wet look for like the entire day. Mousse is what I usually use. So yeah, I'm not going to apply any mousse today, but those are the products. I don't apply like curl activators. I love a good wet look with like my pulled back curly hair, but today is different for me because this is a closure. And then I did absolutely no baby hairs, absolutely none. That's pretty much how I get the wet look and how I maintain it. Now, one con with using the mousse though is that it will leave that stiff kind of, it won't necessarily make the hair stiff, but it will have a stiffer feeling to it. Yeah, it will have a stiffer feeling to it. So you could just go ahead and apply some conditioner, and conditioner is like really good for the hair. That's literally it for this wig. See, that's how the hairline looks. It looks so refreshing to me. Like a nice wet look just always give me the vibes like, oh, I just don't wash my hair, I smell fresh and clean, I'm still glam, but it's like clean beauty. That's the feeling that a good wet look gives me. It's like beachy as well, you know. I love it. Can't go wrong with it. On top of that, like a nice little glow adds a really nice touch to the entire look. But yeah, this hair, it's nice. The quality of the hair feels really good, by the way. I don't remember if I told you guys that. It's really silky, it's soft, and it wasn't hard to like comb through. Of course, you know, it's brand new out of the package and stuff, but I didn't get much shedding out of the package. Like I didn't get much shedding at all. I didn't have to do much to it at all. All I did was cut off the extra lace, and it looks good. It looks really good. As I say, it's way less work than a lace frontal, a fuller lace frontal, and I feel like it's easier for somebody that's just easing into the whole wig application thing. You know, it's really easier to kind of, you know, do. I'm going to put all the specifications to this wig in the description box, so you guys can feel free to go ahead and check that out. You can get the wig if you're interested in doing so. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty sure you're hearing noises in the background. It's actually raining currently. Also, you can switch up this look completely. Like there's this little trend I like to do sometimes. This really, for me, it amps up the look like so much more. So you could like do this kind of look. It just, oh my gosh, it's so edgy. Like it's like I don't know, I like it. I like it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Like it if it was informative, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I upload very frequently. Also check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. I upload there every single week, at least twice a week. Yeah, check out my daily Jamaican lifestyle. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just want to big up on yourself.